Today's learners need engaging, bite-sized practice with instant feedback. Xeropan provides this through fun, motivating lessons designed for modern students. You'll see how these activities build key skills step by step and prepare your child for AI-powered conversations, a safe, confidence-building way to practice speaking anytime. In this video, you'll see what happens inside each lesson type in the Xeropan app and what skills your child develops. This will help you understand how Xeropan supports your child's learning at home and at school. In the previous video, we looked at the structure of the curriculum: levels, topics, units, and lesson types. Now we'll zoom in and show you how those lessons actually work for students. Vocabulary lessons, pronunciation lessons, video and grammar lessons, and finally, how they all prepare students for AI-powered speaking practice. Let's start with the most unique part of Xeropan: AI conversations. Students can choose from over 1,500 role plays from A1 to C1. These include everyday situations such as introducing yourself, talking about hobbies, booking a hotel, giving advice, or more advanced topics like environmental protection or job interviews. Here the student meets Vera, who asks,
Hello, I'm Vera. Today we're talking about hotels and family holidays. What do you think makes a hotel good for families?
The student taps the microphone and answers out loud.
Well, definitely the pool is something children love.
Xeropan analyzes their speech, gives pronunciation feedback, and responds naturally based on what they said.
Yes, a swimming pool is great for kids. What else do you think is important for a family-friendly hotel?
If students make a grammatical mistake, for example,
My children loves play football.
the AI won't interrupt the flow. Instead, a tip available button
That
appears.
sounds fun. So maybe a hotel with a playground or sports area would be good. Do you think friendly staff is important too?
When tapped, it gives clear, gentle feedback such as, use love instead of loves, because children is plural.
Yes, it is very important.
Students can
Absolutely.
also
Friendly
open the
staff
key
can make a
expressions
big
menu
difference.
to review the
What about
vocabulary they're
food?
expected to
Do you think
use.
a hotel should
If
have a
they get
good
stuck,
restaurant
the
for
question mark
families?
button gives sample sentences they can say.
Yes, good food can make
This is a free
all the
conversation,
difference.
not a scripted dialogue. Within the topic, students can express themselves freely, using the vocabulary and grammar they learned
I agree.
earlier in the
Good
unit.
food is very important for a happy family stay. How about activities? Should a hotel have fun activities for kids?
Yes, that's very important. What do you think?
I think fun activities are very important for kids. They keep children happy and busy. What
What
types of
makes this feature
activities do you
powerful
think
is its
kids like the
adaptability.
most?
Every single student can have a slightly
Yesterday I
different
watched a football
conversation,
match
tailored to their
against
level, their
Manchester
answers,
United.
and their mistakes.
Our team.
And it scales to any class size.
That sounds exciting. Football matches are always fun to watch. Do you think a hotel should have activities related to sports like football games or tournaments for kids? Here are some answers you can try. Yes, it would. Kids can make new friends and enjoy their time. What about family rooms? Do you think it's better when a hotel has big rooms for families?
Yes.
Big family rooms are really nice. They give everyone space to relax. Do you think a hotel should also have a nice garden or outdoor area for families?
Oh, very much so.
When students finish, they earn stars and XP, which help motivate consistency and friendly competition. Next, let's look at a vocabulary lesson. Here, students meet 6 to 8 key expressions from the unit.
Pool. I'd
Each
love to have a
flashcard
pool in my
includes
apartment.
the expression,
Destination.
an example
Paris is our
sentence
destination.
audio recorded by
Limit.
native speakers,
Swim.
and
Vacation.
if they're learning through their
Absolutely.
own language,
Vacation. We
translations.
are going on vacation.
Flashcards play audio automatically. Students then complete short mini-games to review the expressions repeatedly. The app gives immediate, encouraging feedback. "No problem, keep going," which keeps students motivated. At the end, students earn stars and XP. Pronunciation lessons reuse the same vocabulary from the vocabulary lesson,
Keep
but
someone
now students
entertained.
speak them out loud.
Destination.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Students repeat each
Destination.
expression until the AI
Absolutely.
confirms correct pronunciation. This is great for building confidence before they
Destination.
enter the AI conversation.
Keep someone entertained.
Keep someone entertained.
Absolutely.
Does your child find real spoken English hard to follow? Video lessons in Xeropan make listening and reading practice simple, short, and achievable for every learner. In this video, you'll see how video lessons work and how they help students develop listening and reading skills with minimal teacher preparation. Each video lesson is a 30 to 60-second authentic clip. Film scenes, news, everyday dialogues. Xeropan includes more than 1,500 of these. Students watch the clip with a transcript, and if they learn through their native language, they also see the translation below. The transcript supports weaker listeners and strengthens reading skills. The translation removes confusion and helps students follow the story instantly. After the video, students complete short mini-games to check comprehension. The app explains correct and incorrect answers clearly and shows small grammar tips in the learner's language when needed. Gamification keeps motivation high, and students earn stars and XP at the end. Let's continue with grammar lessons. So each unit has a dominant grammar focus, and every video lesson connects to that same structure. Xeropan provides a dedicated grammar lesson that explains this point clearly and in context. If learners study through their native language, the grammar explanation appears in that language. Here, we're learning English through English, so the explanation is in English, simple, short, and easy to follow. After the explanation, students complete a set of mini-games to reinforce what they learned. These activities recycle the key expressions, the sample sentences, and the grammar structure used in context. By the time students reach the AI conversation, they've already practiced the vocabulary and the grammar multiple times. This prepares them to speak more naturally and focus on communication, not rules. These were Xeropan's core lesson types, the building blocks of the curriculum from A1 to C1. Each topic and unit includes short vocabulary, pronunciation, video, grammar, and AI speaking lessons. There are about 4,000 mini-lessons, each 5 to 10 minutes long, and students love how interactive and clear they are.